Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about the chemical properties of the metal student. One chemical property we have discussed in which the metal reacts with the oxygen and what they form metallic oxide. And generally the metallic oxide are basic in nature. That's why they are also known as basic oxides. With this there are some metallic oxides behave as both acid or base, and those oxides are known as amphoteric oxide student. Like aluminium oxide and the zinc oxide are the examples of amphoteric oxide. Today we will discuss about the chemical reactions of metals with water, acid and salt solution. So first we will discuss about the reaction of metal with water. Yes student, like the most reactive metal like the potassium and the sodium, they react with the water vigorously, and what they form metallic hydroxide, and hydrogen gas is released in this, and in this they may do the explosion. That's why this reaction is done very carefully. Like when the potassium is reacted with water, then what it forms? It forms potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is released in this reaction. Like this, when the sodium is reacted with water, then what it forms? It forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is released in this reaction. There is calcium and magnesium also react with water, and what they form student? They form calcium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide, and in this process they also release hydrogen gas. With this there are some metals like the iron and aluminium. When they react with water student, then what they form? They don't form metallic hydroxide, they form metallic oxide. Like when the iron react with water, then what it forms? It forms iron oxide. What it forms student? Iron oxide is formed, and in this process the hydrogen gas is released. And when that iron oxide is again react with the water, then what it forms student? It forms rust, and rust formula is Fe2O3.XH2O. Means there are the some metal like the iron and aluminium, they can react with water, and which form of water they react student? They react with the gaseous form, means with the steam they react, and what they form? They don't form the metallic hydroxide. What they form? They form metallic oxide, and due to that metallic oxide the corrosion or the rust takes place. So when the metals react with the iron, metals like the iron react with the water, then what they form? They form the rust. Now we come on the next reaction of metals with acid. Like this is the second reaction that is given in the chapter 1 also. When the zinc granules are react with the sulfuric acid student, then what they form? They form zinc sulfate, and hydrogen gas is evolved in this. Like this, when the aluminium is reacted with hydrogen chloride, means hydrochloric acid, then what it forms? It forms aluminium chloride, and hydrogen gas is evolved in this. So the acids also react with the metals, and which type of metal they react student? Most reactive metals and the mid reactive metals. Least reactive metals like the Ag, Au, Pt, means silver, gold and platinum. They don't react with water and acid in the normal condition student. They don't react because they are least reactive. That's why these metals are used to make ornaments. Now we come on the next chemical property, that is reaction of metals with other salt solution. And about this we have discussed in chapter 1, and in chapter 1 you have read the two reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. What is the displacement reaction, student? It is the reaction in which the more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its compound and form a new chemical compound, and the least reactive metal is displaced in this, and this reaction is known as displacement reaction. So when the metals react with the other salt solution, then it reacts according to its reactivity. Like when the iron nail is reacted with copper sulfate solution, then what they form? They form ferrous sulfate, and the copper is displaced in this reaction. Now in this, the copper sulfate solution have the blue color. Now the color is changed in this, the blue color solution is changed into green pale color due to the displacement reaction. So the metals react with the salt solution according to their reactivity. If they have the less reactivity, student, then they don't react with the salt solution and there will be no reaction takes place. So metals react with the salt solution according to their reactivity. So now we have covered generally all the reactions related to metals, student. In the next segment we will study about the reaction in between metal and non-metal. Thank you very much and have a nice day.